So we're in my backyard and we're gonna find the secret ingredient to make our secret recipe. Here we go. All right, let's see, we find a little something. Oh, here we go. Check it out. We'll use this one right here. And hey guys, it's Joey from 25-Eight Coffee, and today I'm going to introduce to you what we call the teacher coffee recipe, right? The secret recipe that we've never shared with anybody. Just Carrie and I have tried it, and we thought we'd share it with the world. The other thing is it's the description of a teacher to the T, right? Every recipe that we pick describes a teacher. I'm going to walk you through that here in a second, right? So the first ingredient that you're going to use, you're going to need a lime. You can use the lemon, right? And we chose the lime because it's going to add that hint of freshness, just like teachers do to their students every day in their classroom. Okay, the second thing that we're going to add ice to this mason jar here in a second. And ice is obviously very versatile. It comes from water. We need water to remain healthy and to continue living. And in my opinion, we need teachers in our lives to do the same, right? And another ingredient that we're going to need is espresso coffee, right? We went with an espresso coffee because it's bold and it's strong, and it reminds me of a lot of teachers that I work with and that I know, right? They're very bold and they're strong. Okay? So we are using our 25-8 coffee organized chaos blend, which is a new one that we just released. And the last secret ingredient to this is going to be a splash of Diet Coke, because as my teacher friends know, a lot of you guys enjoy Diet Coke and Diet Dr. Pepper, and why not add a little extra caffeine to it, okay? So let's get to it. I'm gonna add some ice and then we'll mix in the other ingredients. All right, so now that we have our mason jar with ice, and add a little more to it than usual, okay, if you like iced coffee, just because our espresso is very hot and it's gonna melt some of that. So the first thing we need to do is get a slice of lime, right? Very thin. We're just gonna add that to our ice. We're gonna keep it in there. And we'll cut another one for the very end of it. Just for now, just to have. We'll leave that there, okay? So the second thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add your espresso. Okay, again, it is very hot. Okay. The last thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add a splash of Diet Coke. All right, and then you can add a little lime here. You can mix it, give it a little whirl. Yeah, so that is teacher coffee. That is our teacher coffee recipe. Please try it at your house, share it with your friends, and let us know what you think. And stay tuned for the next recipe by 25-8 Coffee. Drink coffee, help teachers.